This car had about 20 pounds of grease and dirt and dead leaves. It's almost ready for some paint, but jeez, this is probably the dirtiest car that I ever built. Dirty. Just dirty. Anywho, she almost cleaned up now. Ready for some paint. I swear to God, it was 20 pounds. 20 pounds of grease and dirt, dead leaves. I'm trying to figure out where the hell this dude was living at in California. All these damn dead leaves and oil and dirt. He must have lived in Victorville or some shit back in the day. Transmission cross member, gotta clean that. See, this is what I'm talking about. I'm not bullshitting. I'm not bull. That. I'm not bullshitting. It's like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Engine ran good though. Just need new gaskets all over the place. So funny. This is how I run my shit like this. I pull this shit right out, look just like that. This too. I run it clean like that. I run it clean. I don't like working on my shit and my hands get all greasy. Anywho, that's what's up. Waiting for some mortar mounts to come. That's probably be after Thanksgiving. I'll throw the engine in. All right. Peace.